Welcome back to our channel. China has expressed concern in 2018 over the planned deployment of advanced weapon system along the 4057-kilometer border that it shares with India. The Chinese Defense Ministry has said India should avoid steps that contradict an agreement reached between the two leaderships to maintain peace and tranquility. Indian Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narawane, in the maiden press briefing in New Delhi, stated that the country has started deploying advanced weapon systems and improved infrastructure along with the border with China. At one point of time, advanced weapon system was more towards the western front. Now we think both borders are equally important. It is in the context that the rebalance is taking place, Narawane outlined on Saturday in New Delhi. While emphasizing the balance of the threat on the nation's eastern borders, Narawane insists on capacity building like roads, habitat, and storage for ammunition in the east. Taking on a growing military relationship between China and Pakistan, Narawane said that deployment at the world's highest battlefield, Siachen, is cruel for the Indian Army. He said that it is strategically important. It is from where collusion between Pakistan and China can happen. General Narawane, who spent years along the China border as chief of the Army's Eastern Command and commander of Assam Rifles, also said that differences along the loosely demarcated line of actual control with China are being settled locally now. After the strategic guidelines, small differences are sorted locally and now allowed to escalate, Narawane said, while adding that it marked an increase in mutual coordination between the armies. In a major development, Narawane announced that all the issues have been resorted between the two sides to set up a military hotline. India's Director General of Military Operations and Western Theatre Command of Chinese People Liberation Army to ensure peace along the border and diffuse tension, emerging standoffs effectively and quickly. The Indian Army has deployed its M777 howitzer, BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles, and mainstream fighter jets along the Chinese border over the last 2 years. China expressed concern in 2018 over the planned deployment of advanced weapon system along the 4057-kilometer border that it shares with India. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you don't miss any video from our channel.